que c'est son casque. C'est ton casque?
Ouais. Toujours avec le casque. Had a magnificent rest day here in Saint Malo with a gorgeous cycling family in like a house as incredible as these. Wow, and what a location. Look at the sea. The beach is enormous here. I've been complaining a lot about the cold, and a lot of people have quite rightly pointed out that as long as it's not raining, I need to stop my whinging. So yes, I'll try to complain less. The weather is improved. You might be able to hear from the sound quality that the wind has dropped. Yeah, feeling good. I'm going to go back through Saint Malo. I had a day on foot there, but I'm going to take the bike through there now and then head south to Dinan. So flat here that the tide goes out very far very quickly. Soon you'll be able to walk along this causeway to the island. Yesterday, just a couple of hours ago, I walked across the sandbar to this island here. These stairs behind the rock, that marks the tidal pool, completely immersed right now. I could hop on a ferry straight back to Portsmouth from here, but I don't feel like it today. No museum visit for me today. 29th of March, everything's going to reopen, I think. Excellent sandwich for lunch. It's got prosciutto, raclette cheese, which is very earthy. It's like a barnyard. I love it. the 12th century. A guy seeing me push my bike up the cobbles just told me to just hop on and ride up, because he straight up assumed my bike was electric. It's quite annoying. This is the tomb of Bertrand Greslin, a 14th century knight who hated the English. He fought wars to kick the English out. And now this town, Dinan, has the highest population of English immigrants in all of Brittany. What a beautiful day, and now I'm on my way to my final warm showers house before I start camping again, now that the weather is improved.